Hello, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. This week I found a box of little bits and pieces that was all made up of different types of wood. There's red gum, peppercorn, mistletoe, bit of oak, some swamp gum, some gidgee from the Northern Territory, some sugar gum and some apple. All this wood was destined to go into the fire. I thought I'd turn something a bit different this time, so I put it into a bowl, mixed some resin. The colour of the resin was a saffron orange, so I put that into the pot and left it set for the overnight and then let it cure for the week. We then put it on the lathe and started turning it. It was hard going. I was using the normal steel lathe tools. It wasn't until I started to use the carbine tools that it became a lot easier. They might have been a bit blunt too, which probably didn't help. Anyway, the carbon tools did a better job on this one. I turned it down. I was going to turn it into a sphere, and I had a ball jig, a sphere jig, that I used on the old lathe that I had. It didn't fit onto this lathe, onto the stubby lathe, so my father changed it around, modified it. Went on pretty well. He did a great job. There's just a bit of movement in the bearing, and it caused a lot of checking, and it grabbed onto the piece quite a few times. I ended up, after a few words was said, we decided to part ways, so the jig went back into the shelf and I continued with the carbine tools. I sanded it up, dry sanded and then wet sanded it, and then put some polish on it, some wax. The resin came up wonderful, and it also highlighted some of the different woods that I used. Certainly was a collection. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Cheerio.